See in 100 seconds. File I/O writing. Fopen with W mode creates a new file or overwrites an existing one. The file pointer works just like reading, but now we write to it. Same no-L check as before. If the file cannot be created, we catch it early and bail out. fprintf works exactly like printf, but writes to a file. Same format specifiers, %s for strings, %d for integers, %.1f for floats. fclose saves and closes. The printf confirms we wrote the file. Always close before opening another. fputs writes a plain string, no formatting, no specifiers. Simpler than fprintf when you just need raw text. 2 lines written to notes.txt. Each fputs call adds 1 line, including the new line character at the end. Open the same file again, but with a mode instead of W. Append adds to the end. Nothing gets overwritten. 1 more line appended. The original 2 lines stay intact, and this 3rd line goes after them. Now let's read both files back to verify. Same fgets pattern from last episode. Open, loop, close. Second file. fgets reads line by line until nenull. We reuse the same line buffer for both files. Three modes to remember. W creates or overwrites. A appends. R reads. That covers the basics of file I/O in C. Output.txt has name, age, and score. Notes.txt has the 2 original lines plus the appended 3rd. Write mode creates. Append mode adds. Next up, binary file I/O with Fred and Fright.